the laser. The laser was first kind of postulated as a application of quantum mechanics in like the 1910s by Einstein. And the first laser was built in the 1960s. This is a Heine laser. But the first real mass applications of lasers, telecommunications, photonics, disk readers, a lot of those applications came 10, 20, even 30 years later, after the laser was kind of first prototyped and almost a decade after it was first postulated. Similarly, when you have any new adopted technology like large language models or automatic speech recognition, you have some sort of like sigmoid-like adoption curve where there's a very long refinement process before you get bulk adoption. One, because the earlier version of the technology is less refined, and because there's a slow adoption, economically, even if there's very high value. Even if, like in the case of lasers, the value is recognized very early. It just takes decades for that stuff to get refined and adopted. And a lot of that process, the last mile problem, how you take something that's a really great paper. So like for instance, in speech recognition, the first end-to-end speech recognition was published over a decade ago, but you only started to see end-to-end speech recognitions become the dominant architecture much later for practical reasons of refinement. And the same goes for task-oriented spoken dialogue systems that further integrate modern large language models into their process.